Hello guys, I continue with my mission of daily videos on this YouTube channel, and I'm still creating Laravel checklister project daily, but today I will interrupt that series to present you my new online course which I have just publicly released, How to Structure a Database in Laravel. And maybe on this channel you have seen already a few lessons released from that course publicly on YouTube, and now let's take a look what's inside of the full course. And by the way, the price of that is $35, that's with VAT, default price is $29, and at the end of this video I will tell you how to get it a bit cheaper. So first dive into the content. So there are 20 lessons in total for 2 hours, a bit more than 2 hours. And here are the topics. 3 lessons, by the way, are free without any registration. So we will discuss the relationships. Then we will take a look at examples of open source databases, how other people create their databases. Then different random examples of different structures that I've seen used in real projects or in theory, but I'm trying to get as practical as possible always. That's my goal, that's my mission as I feel it. So in all of those topics there are practical examples inside, and finally 2 practical examples of querying the data from different structure. So just about eloquent performance, grouping and stuff like that. So if you want to go on that 2-hour journey with me, the course is available. And as I promised, a bit of discount at the end. So if you want to get it cheaper, I've created a separate coupon code which will be available for 3 days. The code is DB20 and you will get 20% off until Friday. So by the end of April, the price may be 20% discounted. Or you can go to laraveldaily.teachable.com and purchase the membership, the yearly membership. So this course is a course number 18 already. So if you want to access all 18 courses and all the courses that I'm planning to release a year ahead, that may be an option for you. So purchase yearly membership for $99 per year plus VAT if you're from Europe. And by joining that membership, you will also get some extra content. I'm thinking generally later in 2021 to get more active with giving the value to the membership community, to people who invested money in my yearly membership. So some of this content on YouTube I will actually release as a part of the membership. So I've thought of the idea, so even that playlist of creating checklisters, so this one, currently there are 3 videos released and a few more already shot. So for members, for yearly members, I'm thinking to release more videos. So for example, some of that will be available only for Teachable subscribers. So far I have these ideas for extra content like unit feature tests, some extra Livewire stuff, some deeper roles and permissions, maybe queues. So some extra stuff will be available only for subscribers. So maybe it will incentivize you to subscribe. But if you don't want the subscription, that's fine. Single course for $29 or 20% off until the end of April. And as I often say, by purchasing one of the courses or membership, you support me to do daily videos for free on YouTube. That's it for now, and tomorrow we will get back to the checklister series with a new video there. See you guys in other videos.